Hi, this video is on how to add a printer on a bring your own device. This computer that we're on right now is a Windows 10 computer. It is not part of our network, it has nothing to do with it. We're going to go through the process of adding a printer onto this computer. So I'm going to go down here in the bottom and you can see it's a professional version, but I'm going to type in printer and we're going to see printers and scanners show up there. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this so we can see it real well, and I'm going to hit add a printer or scanner. Now, it doesn't matter whether things show up. I'm not going to use the list. Even if the right one showed up, I'm not going to use it. I'm going down to the bottom where it says the printer I want isn't listed. And the reason is so we can get to here to add the printer manually. So select a shared printer by name, and it says right here example / computer name / printer name. So our print server is trail3, all one word, all lowercase, although the case really doesn't matter, / trail3 / and then we can put the name of the computer that we want to use, and I'm going to write down some of those names. So the first one is the library laser. It's just called Lib Laser. And then we've got 3 more in the high school that we could possibly add. And those are called HSRM 209 for high school room 209, HSRM 210, if I can type, and HSRM 216. Those are the 4 printers that are shared to high school students to use specifically in the Bring Your Own Device program. So you can kind of keep those in your hat so you remember what those are. I'm going to go ahead and add Lib Laser. The first time we add it is going to be the slowest because it is going to add all the drivers as well that it might need to download. All of these are the exact same kind of printer, so it shouldn't matter. Now, it says, who are you? It's not part of a Trail computer. Normally you don't see this, so we have to say NTLS, because that's our network, / our username, and then put in our password. So I'm going to put that up here. So it's NTLS / username, and then our password. And we want to make sure we click the remember our password. And if we do that, it's not going to ask us for the next printer that we add. So I put in my username, NTLS / my username, my password, remember my password, okay. And now it's going to connect to that printer. It's going to download the drivers and it's going to install the drivers to this computer. Now, it is possible, based on your computer, that the drivers don't exist for your computer. If you don't have a Windows computer, it may not be able to add the drivers. In that case, you're going to have to go out and search for these drivers for the kind of computer that you're on. So you can see it add my main library laser. I'm saying next, and I'm going to say finish. If I want to add another one, I can do the same thing, and I can add Trail3 HSRM 209. Next, it will do it even faster this time. You can see, boom, didn't ask for a username and password because I clicked to go ahead and save that. Next, and finish. And now if I was to go into something like Word, if I could spell, that printer will be in my printer list as an option. So if I were to say File, Print, now I've got those printers that I added, High School Room 209 and Main Library Laser, on my list of available printers for the computer. That's it for installing a printer on the Bring Your Own Device.